What's up guys, today is the day where I'm going to install this Axleback Remark muffler single wall muffler beat for my RC350. I will do a cold start before and after, and yeah, let's cut to the chase. Alrighty, so I got my car backed up on race ramps, and hopefully I have enough room to go down there and take off all the bolts, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, I'm back. It took me like maybe a couple hours just to take these two mufflers out. They're both 14s in the back, and I'm just gonna turn on the car with no muffler, see what happens. Just for, you know, just for giggles. See what it sounds like. Okay, that's really funny. I like that kind of noise. Alright, next part is to put on the Remark Axleback. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm gonna put these rubber hangers in hot water because they're really stiff right now. So I want to soften them up and put them underneath the car, so when they're ready to be installed, they have some kind of flex so I can put them in easier. So yeah. Alrighty guys, here's the finished product. 4 hours doing it by myself. Took some time, but let's start it up. I like it. That's the Remark Axleback for you guys. Real nice. I try to keep it even. The left side right here is close to the diffuser, and this one right here is about like, it has much of a gap. There was nothing much I could do to it. I was trying to adjust while I was down there, but I couldn't do it. But there it is, guys. The Remark Axleback exhaust for the RC350. Hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys next time.